Jim Ellis, founder of NGINX Digital, the International Information Technology Authority since 1991 and Digital Marketing Authority since 1998. Wow, I'm back. Back again visiting my favorite NGINX studios, here to wrap up another digital marketing training episode that cuts the fluff and allows you to learn the core of what you need to see success in your local market. Watch our videos, then watch your business rise above the competition, floating like a butterfly and stinging like a bee, because we don't weigh you down with useless filler information. And with the exception of a little humor and nonsense, we deliver practical, bottom-line videos that teach you, hey, you're not supposed to be here, beat it. Speaking of nonsense, what are you doing here? Haven't seen you since the last episode. Here, move. Over to the main camera. There. Let me guess. You snuck in to catch a preview of the latest episode. And you're a fan, right? Thought so. Well, my favorite backup camera, pretending to be a person in the audience, and one of my biggest fans, you're in luck. Because I'm here putting the finishing touches on our latest episode, the Digital Marketing Money Train. That accelerates your online marketing skills from ground zero dollars and cents to cashing in while leaving the competition in the dust in under 40 minutes. Watch, learn, pay attention, and board that train today so your business can see improved revenue and profit while rolling on the tracks of success towards a better tomorrow. Now, would you like me to share a few highlights with you? Whoa! Looks like you started the apple juice a little early. It's getting kind of late. That's okay. We're in County Cork, so what's a few drinks, huh? Now, let's break it down. First, we help you define your business better. Your brand, what your business has to offer, what separates your business from the competition, that sort of thing. Then we use that information to align your digital marketing goals with your business model. After that, it's time to pack our bags and board the train, the money train. And like good digital detectives, we follow the money to our first stop, where you'll learn how to apply local search engine best practices to leverage multiple sites, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, etc., to promote your business. And if you just follow the best practices and basics, you'll see similar results to our clients. And that's your sites will beat 90% of the competition easily. Now it's time to pack our bags again and follow the money to the organic world where internet visibility, prospects, and clicks are all free. There you'll gain a working knowledge of search engine optimization, better known as SEO, and learn our rapid deployment SEO system, which will help your business move up the search engine rankings faster than the competition. Now, rapid deployment SEO is not a magic trick, even with the best SEO practices. Great content, blogs, vlogs, things we teach in previous episodes. It's still the long game. You're looking at a couple years, give or take, before you start seeing the results you're looking for organically. There are no shortcuts. Don't worry though. The train continues along the tracks of success until its final destination, which is station instant gratification. There you'll learn a powerful short game tool called pay-per-click marketing. With pay-per-click marketing, keep in mind we're referring to the big three only: Google ads, Facebook ads, and YouTube ads. Anytime a prospect clicks on one of those ads, it'll cost you, even if they don't become a customer. The upside is that, unlike organically, you have the potential to see instant revenue and profit if you know what you're doing. It's easy to set up your first initial pay-per-click marketing campaign with any of the big three. So easy my cat can do it. Answer a few questions, click with a mouse, answer a few more questions, click, bing, bam, boom. 5 minutes later, you're up and running with your first basic pay-per-click marketing campaign. And if you leave the settings default, don't make any changes, you're going to experience some serious disappointment. Sorry, but if you want to make money with pay-per-click marketing, the default settings aren't going to cut it. And just as challenging, your landing page, your call to action, your content, your infrastructure, all has to be sound, all has to be rock solid for you to see success in pay-per-click marketing. It's too easy to lose money in pay-per-click marketing since it costs you every time a prospect clicks on one of your ads. But relax. Unlike my cat, we know how to make money with pay-per-click marketing, and we share that with you in the form of a great action plan. Now, I've got to get going. Enough highlights. I have to go around the corner to Nginx Studio number 4 and get groovy, so I can teach some more disco, digital marketing magic. And as always, if you like bad disco and great digital marketing, follow me. We've got both.